The skin I'm in, summary and analysis, chapter 3. Chapter 3 summary. With hopes of discouraging the girls from congregating in the restroom, the principal has removed all doors from each stall. Malika meets Charlize and the twins in the restroom as a part of their daily ritual. In this chapter, we learn why Malika hangs out with Charlize and how they established a relationship or an arrangement. Analysis of Malika based on the information that is presented to us in chapter 3. I hang in the bathroom to get out of Mama's homemade rags and into the clothes Charlize brings for me to try on. Based on this information, we can assume that Malika is vulnerable because she needs the clothes from Charlize or uses it as an alternative to change from out of the handmade clothes that our mom sends her to school in. She needs to have a relationship with Charlize. So this makes her, this reliance on Charlize and the clothes that Charlize brings to her makes her vulnerable. She brought in for me to wear can't make up for the hurt I feel when she slaps me with them mean words of hers. This statement here also suggests to us that in addition to being vulnerable, she's also naive because she is so reliant on the friendship that she needs with Charlize to have access to the clothes. She is willing to accept whatever it is that Charlize does or says to her. Analysis of Rayna and Reyes. We're not given a lot of information about them, but based on what we are given, we can assume that they are, like Malika, they are easily influenced. So the four of us meet in the bathroom every morning. Me, Shaw, and the twins, Rayna and Reyes. We talk, smoke, stuff like that. So all four of them are meeting in the restroom and they're doing all of these things together. Now, Caleb is mentioned in the text. We don't meet him, but we're introduced to his character. Now, the author basically portrays a picture of Caleb. And here's what the author says. Caleb's the smartest boy in school, so we know that he's very intelligent. Cute, friendly, a poet. So he's good with writing, he's good with words. He wrote me poems and letters. So this here is just an insight as to the kind of relationship he and Malika had. He wrote her letters and poems, and he gave me the goofiest smile. Now, this particular statement is suggests to us that there was a change in Caleb's interaction with Malika, and we'll learn later on how that affected her and how they make amends. There are your two figurative devices present or evident in chapter 3. Malika, and we know that that is an example of alliteration. And if I had hairballs as big as basketballs growing under my arms, is an example of a simile. The size of the hairballs is being compared to that of a basketball. Okay, so we have two unlike things being compared, and we have the as there, which makes it a simile. Thank you so much for watching the summary and analysis of chapter 3, and I hope that you found the information shared useful.